Why do young children get sick? The emotional pattern associated with childhood illnesses is that they are trying to grab parents' attention and send them a message about their emotional pattern that they are unaware of. For example, if a child continuously coughs with viral infections or chest infections, a child is trying to grab parents' attention and tell them, pay attention to me. I am here the most important. Stop arguing. Stop solving your problems, which are not important right now. I am the most important right now. Or, for example, a child who has ears infections all the time, frequent ears infection, a child trying to block parental arguing all the time, a child saying, I don't want to hear, I don't want to listen to your arguing, pay attention to me. So his ears problems, it's like a message to parents to stop arguing, stop screaming and yelling at each other. So all childhood problems, it's like a reflection to what's going on in the family and give parents a message.